Ever lost track of your devices? XClarity One's inventory feature is like having a tech-savvy Sherlock Holmes on your side, helping you find and manage all your devices easily. Let's see it in action.
Clicking on any device will open the full details view. Here, you can see a summary of the components inside the server and trigger actions, such as power actions, launching the remote console, or generating a manual service ticket. You can also view other details about the device, such as the serial number, location address, and contact information. The last card displays a summary of the server's resource consumption. The left side in context navigation allows you to see monitoring details such as alerts, events, vulnerabilities, service tickets, or running jobs. You can also view details about all components of the server and their firmware levels, including the current firmware and any available updates. The last menu provides details about each component: processors, memory, drives, power supplies, or add-in cards. Up next will be the monitoring summary page.
Lenovo,